Product Design offers professional training on weld design, hand calculation, theory, AWS standard, basics of welding design, welding types, MIG, TIG, SMAW. 2. Weld symbols and notations. 3. Welding process selection criterion. 4. Welding strength calculations referring AWS standard. Fillet, but weld strength calculation. Throat thickness, weld leg calculation. Stress calculation, tensile, shear, bending, torsion, combined. Fatigue life under dynamic loading. Heat input and distortion control overview. 6. Welding sequence and distortion. Minimization techniques. 7. Preheating and post-weld heat treatment. 8. Recommended welded process versus material. 9. Material selection for welding. Indian standard for classification of covered electrodes. 11. Application versus selection of electrodes as per AWS and IS code. 12. Welding joint efficiency. 13. Intermittent welding calculation. 14. Welding defects. 15. How to increase weld strength. Extra plate with fillet weld calculation. And others. Contact PWHT Product Design for career growth training.